Door hinges making noise? You gotta keep those bad boys lubed up regularly if you don't want to hear that annoying squeak every time you open or close your door. Alright, so first off, grab some good old-fashioned lubricant like WD-40 or a silicone spray, whatever floats your boat, but make sure it's made for hinges. Next, pop off the hinge pins by gently tapping them out with a screwdriver and hammer if they're stuck. Give the pins a good wipe down to remove any dust, dirt, or rust, because grease hates grime. Then, spray or rub the lubricant on the pins and inside the hinge barrels. Slide the pins back in and move the door a few times to spread the lubricant evenly. If you don't want to mess with pins, just spray the hinges directly and wiggle the door to work it in. Do this every few months or whenever you start hearing that squeak creep back in. Trust me, it keeps your doors smooth and quiet without any drama. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy door hinges is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which just means more noise and harder movement. Fix that by treating squeaks early with regular lubrication. Another common slip-up is using the wrong kind of lubricant, like cooking oil or grease, which just gums up the hinges and attracts dirt. Stick to products designed for metal parts instead. Lastly, many folks forget to clean the hinge pins before lubricating, so all that dirt stays stuck and stops the lubricant from doing its job. Always clean before you oil. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress over finding someone legit. And for contractors, it's a sweet spot to find steady work from folks who actually need their skills without endless searching around.